You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is v equals 365 over 912. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 304 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the v. Divide both sides by negative 912. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is v equals 365 over 912.